A few months ago, I was completely broke. Like, checking my balance and seeing pocket change kind of broke. No fancy gear, no special skills, just me and a laptop that barely worked. Then, one random night, I tried something that changed everything. AI. And that single decision flipped my life. From $0 to my first $1,000 online. Here's exactly how it happened, and how you can do the same. Stick around till the end. I'll share the exact AI tools I used. Starting from scratch. When I started, I had no plan, no idea what I was doing. Just curiosity. I tried everything. Surveys, dropshipping, affiliate links. Nothing worked. Every night I was searching for a way out. Then, one video changed everything. It talked about AI tools that could write, design, and create content. I thought it was a scam, but I had nothing to lose. So, I opened ChatGPT, and within minutes, it felt like I had a personal assistant that never got tired. That night changed everything. At first, I went wild, trying to use AI for everything. I thought, if I do 10 things, one's gotta make me rich. Spoiler, it didn't. I was all over the place. Then I asked myself one question. What do people actually pay for that I can use AI to help with? And that's when it hit me. Content. Everyone needs it. Businesses, YouTubers, influencers, they all need writing, ideas, and scripts. So I started offering small content services online, like writing YouTube scripts and captions. My first client paid me $10. It wasn't much, but it was proof. That $10 felt like $1 million. Because it wasn't just money. It was validation that this could actually work. From there, I kept learning. I figured out how to make I sound more human, how to mix its speed with my creativity, and how to make content feel personal. It wasn't perfect. Sometimes the outputs were robotic. But I learned how to fix them, add emotion, and make it sound real. I gave me speed. I gave it soul. And slowly, people started coming back. So let me ask you this. If you had to use AI to make money this month, what's the first thing you'd try? Drop it in the comments. I want to see how you'd start. And that's when I asked myself the question that changed it all. What do people actually pay for that AI can help me do? Turning it into real money. Once I got the hang of it, things started moving fast. AI didn't make me smarter. It made me faster. I could write more, pitch more, deliver more. Clients didn't care how I made their content. They just cared that it worked. So I improved every day. Better templates, better writing, smoother systems. Before I knew it, I was hitting $50 orders, then $100, then $500. And that final leap to $1,000 came when I stopped treating it like a side hustle and started treating it like a business. I created repeat clients. I built a system. I started thinking long-term. That first $1,000 hit different. Not because of the amount, but because it proved I could build something from nothing. Have you ever gotten that feeling when your effort finally pays off? That rush that says, I did it. Yeah, that one. But here's the truth. AI didn't make me rich overnight. It made me capable. Before AI, I'd waste hours trying to figure things out. After AI, I had clarity, structure, momentum. It's like having a coworker who never sleeps, never doubts you, and always helps you push forward. And honestly, it gave me confidence. I stopped overthinking and started doing. That's what people don't get. AI doesn't kill creativity. It fuels it. You still have to think. You still have to feel. But now you've got backup. Even on days when I had zero motivation, I'd open ChatGPT, ask it for ideas, and suddenly, I'd be typing again. It kept me consistent. And consistency is where everything changed. Don't underestimate what 20 minutes a day with AI can do. It compounds fast. Here's what I learned. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. It can give you words, but it can't give you soul. That's your part. The best results I ever got were when I mixed AI's speed with my own style, my tone, my stories, my emotions. That's what made my work stand out. Because people can always tell when something feels too AI. It's flat, it's lifeless, it doesn't connect. So I started adding me into everything. My voice, my experiences, even my mistakes. That's what made clients come back. AI helped me save time. My creativity made it worth paying for. That's the real formula. Speed plus soul. Think of AI as giving you the bricks, but you still have to build the house. Quick question. If you had to use AI to make money this month, what would you try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious. Scaling beyond the first $1,000. Once I hit that first 1,000, I knew it wasn't luck. It was a system. So I doubled down. I used AI to organize content, manage clients, and even automate messages. I stopped trading hours for dollars and started building processes that worked while I slept. I launched small projects, teamed up with freelancers, and started teaching others how to use AI too. That's when I realized how big this really is. It's not just about writing or designing, it's about creating smarter, faster, and with less burnout. And the more I used AI, the more it adapted to me. My tone, my writing style, my workflow. Everything started syncing up. What once took me hours now takes minutes. That's when it hit me. This isn't a trend, it's a shift. The people learning how to use AI right now, they're the ones building the future. Not because they're geniuses, but because they're adapting faster than everyone else. Most people fear that AI will take their jobs. The truth? It's creating brand new ones. When I look back at the broke version of me, sitting at that old laptop, doubting everything, I can't help but smile. I didn't have it figured out, but I started anyway. And that's the real secret. It's not about being perfect. It's about being curious enough to try. AI didn't hand me success. It handed me an opportunity. I took it, made mistakes, learned, and built something real. Once I understood the process, things started to snowball. I stopped chasing random gigs and started building systems. $10 turned into $50, then $100, then $500, until I hit my first $1,000. Not because I got lucky, but because I got consistent. AI didn't make me smarter, it made me faster. I used it to organize clients, write faster, and automate my messages. The truth is, AI doesn't replace your creativity. It amplifies it. Because here's the truth. AI doesn't change your life. You do. It just gives you the push you've been waiting for. So, what's stopping you from starting today? Drop your goal in the comments. And who knows, maybe your story is the next one we talk about here. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates. See you in the next video.